Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm a graduated alumni from Get Laser Certified. So what made me choose laser training was I am a licensed esthetician. I wanted to advance my skill set, and I also wanted to give more back to my client. I felt that the laser part of it would just be a great advancement for my clients, and it's always something I've wanted to do, and it was just the perfect timing right now. So what made me choose Get Laser Certified, first and foremost to me, was the people. Speaking to Thomas and speaking to John and speaking to Giselle and Allison, for me, customer service is my number one thing. And they had such a joy and a passion for what they do here and offer here. It really drew me in. I did a lot of research with other institutes, and I found that these guys were the ones that I was totally drawn to. The hybrid training for me was exactly what I needed because of my schedule with my aesthetic business and my real estate business. A lot of times I can do things, for me it's better to do them in the evening. So for the didactic portion, it was such a blessing to be able to work through that on my own time, but do it in the time that I could do it. So my hands-on training was my favorite. It's probably for most people, but it was just really amazing to see results happening in front of you. I had a blast with it. I highly recommend it. The instructors were amazing, very patient, gave you great tips, even like advanced tips for like in the future. And they were always willing to show you, and they were very, for me, they were very, very patient. And being patient and kind and professional is again a big deal to me coming in that profession. Taking this course is for me a huge advancement, and it's really just going to push my goals and my dreams to help people, for men and women, to feel confident, in their own skin. And I'm really excited. I mean, it's like really hard sitting here not going, but I'm really excited for the opportunity to show what I learned here and to give back to the community of people that I am connected with. So I think everything here has just been an amazing blessing and a gift.